Almond benefits for brain health and memory. Welcome to Roco Diet. Did you know that a simple food can boost your memory, focus, and overall brain health? That food is almonds. In today's video, we'll explore 6 incredible ways almonds support cognitive health, how to include them in your diet, and what science says about their benefits. Grab a snack, preferably almonds, and let's get started. Section 1. What makes almonds a brain superfood? Almonds are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats essential for brain health. Almonds are a natural brain booster, loaded with vitamin E, which protects brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. This helps maintain memory and cognitive abilities as you age. They're also a great source of healthy fats, which fuel your brain for better focus and clarity. Magnesium in almonds supports nerve function, making them a must-have for anyone looking to keep their mind sharp and active. Section 2. How almonds improve memory and focus. Daily almond consumption enhances memory and attention span. Whether you're a student preparing for exams or a professional working on tight deadlines, almonds can help. Studies have shown that consuming a small amount of almonds daily improves memory retention and mental focus. These results aren't just anecdotal. They're backed by science. Almonds provide sustained energy, ensuring your brain stays alert throughout the day. Section 3. Creative ways to eat almonds. Incorporate almonds into your diet with these easy and delicious methods. Soaked almonds are a great start to your day. Simply soak 10 to 12 almonds overnight and eat them in the morning. Want variety? Try almond butter on toast. Blend them into your smoothies. Or use almond flour for baking healthy snacks. The possibilities are endless, making almonds a versatile addition to your meals. Section 4. Scientific evidence behind almond benefits. Research confirms almonds' role in cognitive health. Research supports what we've known for centuries: almonds are good for the brain. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition Research revealed that regular almond consumption significantly improved memory and learning abilities in participants. Another study highlighted their role in preventing age-related memory loss. This small nut is truly a brain health powerhouse. Section 5. Almond milk versus whole almonds. Whole almonds offer more brain-boosting nutrients than almond milk. Whole almonds deliver more nutrients per serving. Almond milk contains fewer vitamins and healthy fats because of the dilution process. If you're looking for maximum benefits, stick to whole almonds. However, almond milk is still a great option for smoothies or cereal when paired with other brain-friendly foods. Section 6. How many almonds should you eat daily? The perfect serving size for optimal brain benefits is 10 to 12 almonds a day. Experts recommend eating 10 to 12 almonds daily to unlock their full brain-boosting potential. This portion provides the right balance of nutrients without adding too many calories to your diet. The best part: you don't need to make drastic changes. A handful of almonds each day is all it takes to nourish your brain. Almonds are more than a snack. They're a lifestyle upgrade for your brain. Add them to your daily routine and experience the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Roco Diet for more health and nutrition tips. See you in the next video.